Moving into the fifth stage of mastering fluency through the Speak Real English method, the focus turns to creating strong links between newly learned words and the familiar vocabulary already rooted in your mind. Whenever you encounter a fresh term, try relating it to something you already understand. Perhaps it resembles another word you know well, either in English or in your native language. Maybe it shares a similar pronunciation, or its meaning closely mirrors something you have previously learned. Take a moment to build these mental bridges. Imagine the new word tied to an emotion you have felt before, a distinct scent that lingers in your memory, a melody you once heard, or even a visual image that has stayed with you. It does not matter what you associate it with, as long as the connection feels natural and personal to you. The essential principle here is to anchor the new vocabulary firmly to something that already exists within your mental world, something that feels familiar, comforting, and easy to recall. Moreover, it is crucial not only to link the meaning of the word to an existing idea but also to imagine a real-life situation where you might actually use it. Visualize yourself speaking the word in a daily conversation, interacting naturally, making it part of a phrase or a common expression that would easily flow from your mouth. Perhaps you can picture using the word while ordering food, asking for help, sharing a story with a friend, or describing your feelings during a busy day. By embedding the word within a lively scene from everyday life, you strengthen your memory and make retrieval almost automatic. The more vivid and relatable the scenario, the deeper the impression it leaves. Build short phrases and sentences with the new word, and mentally rehearse them until speaking them feels effortless and genuine. In essence, this step is about forging multiple pathways in your mind, ensuring that new vocabulary does not stand isolated but is instead woven into the fabric of everything you already know. Through these diverse and meaningful associations, your fluency will grow more naturally, and expressing yourself in English will become not just easier but genuinely enjoyable. Keep practicing these connection techniques, enriching your vocabulary one meaningful link at a time, and you will find yourself speaking real English with more confidence and authenticity as you move forward on your journey.